Blitz Trend Sniper, version 4, episode 2. Anatomy of a signal, the 4 sniper gates. A sniper signal isn't one condition. It's the intersection of 4. Each one is ordinary on its own, but the moment all 4 align on the same bar comes only about once per coin per month. In this episode, we dissect each gate, with numbers showing exactly what it adds to the win rate. First, regular RSI divergence. Price prints a lower low, while RSI prints a higher low. The selling looks strong on the surface, but is running out of force underneath. That's your timing. One detail matters. A low is only confirmed after 6 bars on each side. No signal fires before confirmation, so repainting is structurally impossible. Once a signal prints, it stays printed. Second, the tide. Longs are allowed only when the 1-hour close is above the 200 EMA. Shorts only below it. As you saw last episode, divergence without this gate wins 34% of the time. Counter-trend divergences mostly get run over. This gate does one simple thing. It mechanically forbids fighting the tide. Same logic below the 200 EMA, shorts only. Third, the local structure. On the 15-minute chart, the 21 EMA must be above the 55 for a long. Even in a 1-hour uptrend, a bearish local alignment means the pullback is still in progress. Alignment forces you to enter only as the pullback is ending. If the tide is the direction, this is the wave. Bearish alignment, the mirror image for shorts. Fourth, the condition that completed the win rate. The signal bar's volume must exceed 1.3 times its 20-bar average. A divergence bounce without volume tends to fade. In the backtest, this one filter lifted the win rate from 53 to 66.7%, and the profit factor from 0.98 to 1.32. It's the final check that the bounce has fuel. So it stacks like this. Divergence alone, 34%, a losing indicator. Add the 2 trend gates, 53%, near break-even. Add volume, 66.7%. Profit factor, 1.32. Every gate earns its keep. And shorts are perfectly symmetric. Bearish divergence, 1-hour close below the 200 EMA. Bearish alignment volume, the same logic in reverse. You might ask, wouldn't more conditions push the win rate even higher? We tried. ADX filters, 4-hour agreement, RSI extremes, all enforced in the backtest. They only reduce the trade count without improving results. So they appear on the label as context, not as gates. 4 gates that earn their keep are enough. Next episode, what happens after the signal? Reading the trade plan that draws itself on your chart.